let's put this one in a test. So you can see this one, the time it's 1:45. So it says in a manual it's about 60 minutes to charge this one. So I put 12:45 p.m. there. So before put this one in the air, so make sure your battery it's full charge. So I already hook it up the USB, and I have the fast charger here. So let's hook this one up. It's there, it's start charging now. You can see the second light all the way to the 4 light, it's blinking now. So second light's blinking. So let's see how long to charge this one. So I already put it in. This one is the fast charger from Samsung. So let's wait until this one is fully charged, and after that, if the weather is good, a little bit wind, we're gonna apply it either way or indoor in our house. I have a lot of obstruction side to side in around my house, so I'm not sure if I can apply this one. This one's very twitchy and responsive, so let's see. Let's wait until this one's fully charged. They said it's 60 minutes, so let's wait. It says in the manual those 4 blinking light is gonna be turned to solid blue before you're gonna see it's full charge. Put this one in up so that it's easy to see it. So it's there, so it's still blinking. It's I start for 12:45, and it's very clear says in the manuals there. I give you a close-up look. Charge time it's 60 minutes. It's about 1 hour. Now it's more than almost 2 hours now. It's still charging. So let's see if this one's turned to 4 solid blue lights soon. So let's wait. Hopefully this one is charged, or maybe they gonna have some charging problem, so it cannot hold the full charge. So let's wait. Little patient, okay? So finally the 4 light, it stays, so it turns solid, so it means it's already fully charged by the time of more or less 2:35. So it means this one, for the first charge out of the box, is about 1 hour 50 minutes, but it says in the manual it's only 60 minutes. So that's it is. It's there. 2:37. It take about, I tell you that 1 hour 15 minutes it takes, so almost 2 hours. But finally it's fully charged. So maybe the battery too is the same thing too. So let's give this one a shot. So let's apply it indoor or outside later, okay? That one is how to charge the battery. I just show you. Let's do the apply after this one. Let's do it. So this one is a Maiden flight from outside, so it's a little bit calm today, maybe 5 miles per hour. So let's put the battery. Just follow the direction and then push it both ends. Don't push it in a, I just told you, in a middle. So put the power on. The transmitter is blinking, and put this one on. And let's go to the, and put did one in the back so that they have a nice take off. And let's bind it. This one you see is blinking, so to make that solid you need to put this one up and down. So you can see it's turned to a solid red. So I'm in a second speed. So let's give this a shot. So let's roll it. Put it up in the air. So let's spin it first. Put the 8 o'clock position, and the other one in the right is 4. So it's spinning now. So let's up in the ground. So I can feel the helicopter's a little bit twitchy. So put it in a third so that we have a nice over there. So let's do it. So we're in a third speed now.
Saan na yun? Ang layo na pala. Hindi ko na makita. Wala nang layo na.
So we'll fight for cause the air going to the right. So I need to landing it because it's the airs blow up. So put this one in the ground. So that's you need to a lot of practice to this kind of heli. So let's put this emergency landing. So let's do it. So sorry for it's very windy, it's hard to fly, so you need to be expert to fly this one. I know but this one they designed for beginner, but you see, I fight the helicopter going to the left because it's blowing the wind in the right. So I think that'll be it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and have a wonderful day. See you when the calm day again. Bye bye. I'm out.